In 2016, Jamaica lost in excess of 12 billion Jamaican dollars to cybercrime. As the world moves online, especially during the pandemic era, the island remains vulnerable to the risk of cybercrime. However, Jamaicans are set to benefit from a cybercrime early warning system. Science, Energy and Technology Minister Daryl Vaz says the Jamaica Cyber-Incident Response Team will be implementing the program, which is being facilitated through the OAS Inter-American Committee against Terrorism. He shared the details during his contribution to this week's sectoral debate in Parliament.
Science, Energy and Technology Minister Daryl Vaz says the system will enable JaCIRT to provide alerts as soon as possible.
These systems are helping to fortify Jamaica's cyber infrastructure by according a more proactive approach in dealing with cyber threats.
Work is also being done on JaCIRT's website.
The JaCIRT website is being revamped to allow for the anonymous reporting of cyber breaches as well as the uploading of artifacts for analysis by the team. This will significantly improve the ability to respond more effectively to the specific cyber events.
There's also improvement on the way in relation to legislation with the review of the Cybercrimes Act 2015.
While the process is continuing, I will use this platform once again to indicate the fundamental importance of Jamaica having a strong legislative framework that addresses current cybersecurity realities, as well as the future developments that may occur. A strengthened legislative provision will assist the work of JaCIRT and bolster our efforts at improving the cybersecurity ecosystem in the public sector. Madam Speaker, this is extremely important, given the move to e-government, e-participation, and most importantly of all, the national identification system.